All right, welcome. So you're going to watch me make two versions of this queso dip. It is really, really easy. First thing I'm doing here is just sauteing some onions. You can saute them as long as you want. If you want to caramelize them, feel free. Add a little bit of garlic here. You can add as much garlic as you like. When it comes to the spices, I like to slightly toast those for about 30 seconds to let off the aroma before you start to add something like cream, or in this case, half and half to this mixture. You could have added those jalapeno peppers before or at the same time you did the cumin. It really doesn't make that much of a difference. So here I'm adding that cream, milk, or whatever you decide to use. In this case, I'm adding a little bit of white American cheese, but you can add any cheese or combination of cheeses that you want. You will notice in the recipe that I have cheddar cheese, I have white American, cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, and Chihuahua cheese. Right here is a chipotle and a guajillo pepper. But you could really use any peppers that you want. I de-seeded them, ground them, and that's what that looks like. Normally, I would add that at the same time I did the cumin, but in this case, I made the big pot of queso and I kind of divided it in half and then added these spices. So you could do it either way. In here, I have the tomatoes and green chilies as well. And if it's a little too thick, just add a little more liquid. If it's not thick enough, add a little more cheese. It's as simple as that. And you can use this recipe to eat with chips, over different types of Mexican foods, really whatever you would like to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, you can leave those below, and don't forget to subscribe.